Number 7, Bianca. Joanna. Number 9, Violetta.
Yay!
Number 11, Logan. Number 12, Leia. Number 22, Sophia.
Do the leg thing.
Number 44, Ava. Number 88, Lorenza. And last, the captain, Alexia.
No, over there.
Coach, Andy. Coach Nadeem. Coach Joe. That kid's like, Coach Chris. Coach Nick. Coach Sean. Congratulations, Bounce Electric. All right, for this commercial break, we're just going to give a quick shout out to the UI Center, to HGG, Ottawa Tourism, Mizuno, Macassa, Six Pack, Recruiting, Timu with an I, not the E, that's where you order your stuff online. Shout out to all our volunteers this weekend.